We are now going to create a column graph to represent the data we collected in our favourite sport investigation. I want you to find the worksheets that you did on your favourite sport in the last mission. These ones. Now I want you to print the grid paper so you have it in front of you. Look over here at the grid paper. This is what we will use to help create our graph. A column graph needs a title. Since the data was investigating our favourite sport, the title will be Favourite Sport. Now, the framework of a column graph has a vertical axis. We call this the y-axis. It also has a horizontal axis. We call this the x-axis. Let's look at the y-axis. This is the vertical axis. This axis measures the numerical data. So for this investigation, it is the number of students. There wasn't many students in our survey, so the scale is going to just be by ones. So 1, 2, 3. Now let's look at the x-axis. That's the horizontal axis. We will measure the different types of sports. The categories I have are football, netball, basketball, and baseball. So to record our data, we need to look back at the data we collected. Looking at my data, 2 students thought football was their favourite sport. So I'm going to go over, I'm going to find football and count up to 1, 2. Then I'll put a point where the x-axis meets the y-axis. I'll draw a vertical line, a horizontal line, a vertical line. This is a column. I can colour it in. Next, I'll take a different colour. We will look at netball. One student thought that netball was their favourite sport. So I'm going to go over to netball and I'm going to count up 1. I'm going to put a point where the 2 axes meet. See? 1. Draw a vertical line, a horizontal line, and another vertical line. I have a column. I'm going to colour it in. Now, I'll leave it there. It is your group's turn to create a column graph for your data. See how you go. Remember, you can always come back and watch this again.